Today, we're going to discuss about something that might surprise you. Discipline isn't as hard as people make it seem. Many believe discipline is only for a few special people or that it's an impossible struggle, but that's not true. Have you ever thought, I'm just not disciplined? Let's clear up this myth. The idea that discipline has to be tough can actually hold you back and make you feel like you're not good enough. So why does it feel hard? And how can you make it simpler? Stick around, because I'll show you 4 easy habits that can help you build discipline without stress. What is discipline, really? First, let's bust a myth. Discipline doesn't mean doing extreme things. You don't need to wake up at 3 a.m. to run 20 miles like David Goggins or work 100-hour weeks like Elon Musk. Those routines work for their goals, but your discipline should match your life. Here's the truth. Discipline is a skill anyone can learn. It's not something you're born with. Think of it like climbing small hills before tackling a mountain. Start small, take it step by step, and soon it will feel natural. 2 types of discipline tasks. Here's a simple way to understand how discipline works. There are 2 types of tasks. 1. Reminder-based tasks. These are easy tasks, like drinking water or journaling. You just need a little nudge, like a reminder on your phone, to stay consistent. 2. Willpower-based tasks. These take more effort, like exercising or studying. Doing these tasks helps you build mental strength over time. Start by balancing these 2 types in your routine. Now let's look at 4 habits you can use to get started. 1. Meditation. Meditation isn't just for monks. Science shows it helps you focus, control emotions, and stay calm. Try setting 3 reminders on your phone for 5-minute meditation sessions. You'll feel the difference. 2. Wake up at the same time every day. Hitting snooze feels good at the moment, but it can mess up your day. A consistent wake-up time helps you build a solid routine and stay focused on your goals. 3. Exercise regularly. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. Start small, like doing 10 push-ups or a short home workout. Over time, this will build your physical and mental discipline. 4. Cut down on sugar. Too much sugar drains your energy and weakens your self-control. Reducing it helps you think more clearly, stay energized, and feel in control of your habits. Discipline doesn't have to be scary or difficult. By starting with small, manageable habits, you'll build momentum and transform your mindset. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.